Hey folks, I'm about to open a Top Series Baseball Series 2. I got today. It's separation of baseball cards over the years. Looking for winning tickets. Be nice. Maybe I get a winning ticket for the Willy Wonka factory or something. Uh, let's see what kind of buried treasures I get from this one. It's open right now. So it kind of like to the front, and also tells the odds of getting hits on the back right there. So we'll see. Kind of cool cards. Ozzy one. Basically what it looks like, Top Series 2. Here it is, kind of glazy and other fun stuff. And the back part gives more of their stats. Most of their Major League career. And it has their, it tells you go to their Twitter or their Instagram. Try to find some cool cards. So what do you think? What kind of cards do you collect? Oh, Future Star. I got a Future Star card. Backside. Oh, it's a Griffin Canyon. Played 2 years in Salt Lake City. Storm. Ooh, it's kind of cool. Oh, these are kind of nice. These are the kind of ones I can show up to you folks. That's kind of cool. TRC for Pyramid Baseball Players. I remember watching him during the World Series. Oh, he got a Hall of Famer. One. Larkin. I know how this guy be a Hall of Fame and Will Clark is not too. There's a lot of players, or David, what's his name? Parker is on the Hall of Fame. Try to find Tom Murphy. Try to look for some rookies. So that's pretty much. It's like a little Sharpie, I guess. Please like and subscribe. We try to do different things. We got a rookie card. Yeah, Edwin Hazel, rookie card. I just go for the cards that are interesting, you know what I mean? People have their own different style doing this. This is my style. I mean, I agree how I do it or not, but, can't wait to San Jose Giants go minor league games down San Jose. So that's going to be it for this package. You got a couple good cards. Series 2. Please like and subscribe and let me know what you think, alright? Thank you very much. Bye.